Hello everyone, welcome to Techno Easy Talks. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the full specification or features and pros and cons of Realme 8 5G. By watching this video, you will be able to understand whether you have to buy Realme 8 5G or not. And more importantly, at the same price range of 14,999 to 16,999, there is one more 5G phone with similar specification, and that phone is Oppo A53s 5G. And to watch the complete comparison video of Realme 8 5G and Oppo A53s 5G, I have kept the video link in the description. Also, I have kept the Oppo F53s 5G full detailed video link of specifications and pros and cons in the description. And if you are watching the video from our channel for the first time, then please subscribe the channel and enable the bell notifications so that you will never miss the update from our site. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So the specification of this Realme 8 5G are. Let's start with display first. So this phone has 6.5 inches of Full HD plus IPS LCD display with 90 Hz of refresh rates with 600 nits of peak of brightness. And this phone comes with two color option. This first one is supersonic black and the second one is supersonic blue. The operating system of this phone is latest Android 11 based on Realme UI 2.0. Now let's talk about the hardware. So this phone comes with MediaTek M6833 Dimensity 700 5G processor, which is an octa-core CPU with ARM Mali G57 GPU. And now the storage and RAM of this phone is it comes with two variants. The first variant is it comes with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage of UFS 2.1, and the second variant comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. And this phone has a dedicated micro SD card slot, and that slot is expandable up to 1 TB. And Realme 8 5G has 5000 mAh of non-removable battery, and this phone supports 18-watt quick charge support. Now let's talk about the camera of Realme 8 5G. So the front camera is of 16 megapixels with 2.1 aperture, and front camera support UIS video stabilization and 1080p with 30 fps and 720p 30 fps video recording. And at the back side it has triple camera setup. The main camera is 48 megapixels and the other two camera is of 2 megapixels for micro depth. And back camera also support UIS video stabilization and 1080p 30 fps and 720p 30 fps video recording. For the back camera there is one LED flash light. Now let's talk about the connectivity. Realme 8 5G is a 5G phone with dual SIM slot support, and it has other required 4G, 3G, 2G bands as well. Realme 8 5G phones support both 2.4 and 5 GHz of Wi-Fi bands, and its support means it has Bluetooth 5.1 and it is also NFC enabled. Now, when we talk about the sensors, so Realme 8 5G has side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and the other sensor is magnetic induction sensor, accelerometer sensor, gyrometer sensor, proximity sensor, and the last one is the light sensor. And when we talk about the ports, Realme 8 5G has USB Type-C 2.0 USB port, and it has a 3.5 jack for the headphones, and it also has three card slot, two for the SIMs and one dedicated micro SD card slot for the memory card. And in the box, you will get Realme 8 5G phone and USB Type C cable and 9-volt 2 ampere charger adapter and SIM card needle and the screen protects film, that means screen guard we will get in the box, and we will also get the protect case and quick start guide in the box. Now let's talk about the pros of Realme 8 5G. Realme 8 5G is a future-ready 5G phone with dual 5G SIM support. And when we look at the price, as this phone is a 5G phone, the price of the phone is the cheapest and it starts only at 14,999. And this phone gives a good reliable performance as the phone comes with Dimensity 700 MediaTek processor. And the phone has appealing design with good build quality, and the phone has latest Android 11 version based on Realme UI 2.0, and that is easy to use decent software. And as the Realme 8 5G has 5000 mAh of battery, so you will get a good long battery backup. And this phone also has a fingerprint sensor, and it has a pretty fast side mounted fingerprint scanner which is quite reliable. And this phone has 90 Hz refresh rate of display. Realme 8 5G has 3.5 mm headphone jack and a dedicated micro SD slot which is expandable up to 1 TB. So these are the pros of the phone, which is best pros I have seen in this price range. Now let's talk about the cons of Realme 8 5G. MediaTek camera for performance. Cameras of the phone are not great, and the main camera of the phone is only of 48 megapixels. So if you are looking for a great camera performance phone in the same price range of 14,999 to 16,999, then you can go with Moto G60 or Moto G40. But keep one thing in the mind, like this two phone is only support 4G. It is means this two phone is not support 5G. So you can watch the detailed video of Moto G60 and Moto G40. Video links are given in the description. And when we talk about the charging speed, as the phone has 5000 mAh of battery, the charging speed is slow, and this could have been better. So these are the cons of Realme 8 5G, but as per the price range, we can ignore these cons as this is a 5G phone which is a future ready phone. So friends, if you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. And do share the video with your family and friends. Thank you.